Most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera footage
of 2025. This terrifying doorbell video was uploaded to TikTok by a user named David.
It better not be more home invasion. I don't need that.
David explains how in the middle of the night, him and his family were woken up by someone beating on their front door in a frantic state. Now this would prompt David to investigate, where he would find a woman who was already on the phone with 911.
I don't really buy it.
David immediately begins looking for the attacker, while the unnamed woman stays on the phone with 911.
What's he gonna do, bro? He's a stranger to the situation. You don't even know who you're looking for.
But unable to find anyone, David goes back inside momentarily, presumably to bring some protection. But what happens next is truly terrifying.
Bro, maybe she's trying to get you though. Like, I feel like you're walking right into this.
Hey, Papa. No. Black guy, he's nobody. I don't know him. He urged me to get home, man. He told me he was in the back. He lifted me outside. Oh my God.
Bro, is she gonna turn? What's gonna happen?
Okay, please. Yes, ma'am. Please. I don't have my glasses. I don't have.
Bro, what is gonna happen?
The clip then abruptly ends, but you can see, while the woman is on the phone with police, the suspect comes back into frame, running full speed at the woman. And knowing that he had a knife, she begins to run for her life. A family member.
Oh, gee, dude. Y'all should have maybe took her inside. Stop screaming outside on the street.
Looks on in horror and begins yelling at the suspect, telling him to stop. But this crazed lunatic gives no indication of stopping.
Oh. Wow, she's not dead. That's awesome.
I'm so sorry. Thank you for opening your door. I'm so sorry. Please help.
Oh, he ripped her thing and everything. She gonna beat him with a shoe? Oh, okay. Did he get him? Oh, dude, it's a demon. Did you see that camera glitch?
You can see, as the woman runs for her life, the attacker pounces on her like a wild.
Dude, that one, yeah, no, that's crazy. That's just actually really sad. All the positive, everything, everyone's safe. Never apprehended. Okay.
Moment, I felt compelled to ask.
Yeah, dude, no, it'd be really nice, you know, for someone to open the door in the moment that they need to. And people nowadays are just paranoid, like myself, and just think everything's a ruse, which is not good.
And in the video, the on-screen text gives us the context, and it explains how her father had set up a Ring camera because every night at 2 a.m. without fail, he would hear loud crashing noises outside of his apartment. And after reviewing the footage, he sees his neighbor. But what happens next is truly bizarre.
Oh.
You can see the neighbor,
Okay.
seemingly for no reason at all, slamming the door multiple times, almost in a trance-like state. This video
Nah, dude, he's clearly like somebody slams the door all the time, and he's like, you know what? Second it's 2 a.m., I'm going out there and I'm slamming the door. I've been there.
all viral, amassing over 40 million views. And
I kind of get it, and I think that's why it's relatable.
many people did not believe Christine, claiming that she set this up for views. So she uploaded another video to prove that this was a ritual that happened every night.
You know, he got to break that door at some point. Okay, sometimes it's not as enthusiastic. I get it. Twice every time? What an odd man.
Now, it should be noted that the comments had many theories. Some suggested he was sleepwalking, while others suggested he was sundowning. And for those that don't know, sundowning is a late-day spike in confusion or agitation, which is often seen with people that have dementia. Regardless, Christine did make one final update, and she explained how the man must have seen her viral video because he came back and screamed profanities into the camera. But sometime later, he came back once again and left an apology note on the door, making this already strange encounter even more bizarre.
In the apology letter, he did state that he has been going through a rough patch and that he didn't mean to cause any harm to any one of his neighbors. He never mentioned why he was slamming the door at 2 a.m. religiously over a period of a few weeks. But really, that's really about it, guys.
I mean, yeah, sometimes that's all it is. People just crazy.
This account, Bipolar Batty,
Okay. Now that one was good though. I didn't know about that.
posted a compilation video of her doorbell camera, which would often capture her neighbors passing by her apartment door. But one particular man would make her question her safety. This is because he would pass by dozens of times throughout the day and night. Now, after posting this video, it went incredibly viral, but it wouldn't be until a few days later that this story would take a disturbing turn. Here's that clip. Take a look. You see, after she posted this, someone reached out to her after recognizing the apartment building in the video. In addition, they recognized the man as well and shed some light on who it was.
I get that though. I feel like I'd recognize any part of my apartment. It's just like so noticeable. Everyone is so differently like identified.
You know this man? Yes, he sleeps under the stairs on the other side, through the laundry room. He acts like he lives in your apartment and tells the neighbors that. One time, the upstairs neighbors banged on my door at 4 a.m. because he thought that guy lived there and could have sworn he saw the guy go in and out of my apartment before. He also saw the guy try to break into his car. That's creepy. Did you file a police report? I didn't. It happened like 2 weeks before I moved out, and I knew it was a bad area, so I figured they wouldn't even care. Stay safe. I feel like he may have some mental issues. After hearing this account and following her own intuition, she's made the decision to leave the apartment.
I mean, yeah, that's just super creepy though. It looked like he went through there like every hour and a half, like walked by your door. So I'd be freaking too.
And she's currently in the process of saving up to do so. But let me know, what do you think about this one?
That's just creepy, dude.
Florida were called to a home in southwest Miami, and this was after 52-year-old David Contreras had an argument with his 21-year-old son. But before police would arrive, David would have a conversation with his wife through the Ring doorbell, and this disturbing video would help us understand what happened that day between him and his son. Take a look.
Hello? 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 David, talk to me.
What?
Is he alive? Is he breathing?
He's not breathing. He's dead.
But why, David? Why?
The fighting on the way home was unbearable, and we got here, and just from one second to the next, he was going to go to the Keys, he was going to go with Jacob, he was going to fight girls. Would it be okay if girls go and sleep over? I said no, and I told him no, and I was going to go over there tonight and make sure. He says, tomorrow.
Bro, how does he end up dead?
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Odin.
What happened to his
Julie
eye?
heard you. Julie heard you. Julie heard you. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Odin. Please call my brother. I
Where's your
just talked to
brother?
him.
Where's your brother?
Please.
Where's your brother? He's gonna go to jail.
David had shot his 21-year-old son, Eric Contreras.
Oh.
And the reason, at least according to him, is that after their argument, he simply just lost it. However, what's even more bizarre is that the couple seems to apologize to each other, which seems to be an odd thing to do considering what just happened.
It's not your fault, Odin.
Julie heard you. Julie heard you. Julie heard you. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Odin.
No, that's just a crazy conversation, dude. Those are two really weird ass people.
Everything that just happened.
Oh my God!
What was in the house?
No one! Just me and him!
No one's in the house.
No!
What are you calling? What are you calling for?
I shot my son.
Come on, let's go.
He's right there. Right, walk right. Oh my.
Where's your son?
Walk right in. Walk right in. 10 feet straight in.
Oh, and he's got a nice ass house too. What you causing problems for? Everything was fine.
What's your son's name?
Eric.
Eric.
Bro was 21, dude.
In the end, David would be charged with second-degree murder, which means it wasn't premeditated, and he would plead not guilty. His attorney argues that Eric was abusive. However, forensics show that Eric was likely kneeling or crouched when he was shot. Despite
Bro, you're gonna testify that your son was abusive towards you?
this detail, nothing's been
That's
decided yet,
weak.
and David is currently serving house arrest until the trial. But ultimately,
Oh, of course, yeah.
the footage we're left with is impossible to forget.
Jeez, dude, that's horrible. That's like the other Ring one.